Hey guys, this is another video from Mr. Mutech. I hope you're having a great day, and if it's not going so well, I do hope it gets better for you. Today we're going to be talking about VLC player. Have you ever noticed during a playback of a video that the rotation seems to be off, and it's almost like you have to tilt your head to watch the video? Take a look at this example here. You can see this video is vertical. You might have a video that's upside down, and today I'm going to show you how to fix this so that you can get your video playing properly. I would also like to add that if you use VLC often, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel, as I will be putting out more content like this video and you will be supporting a small YouTube channel like mine. Okay, let's jump into this tutorial. The first thing you're going to want to do is click on Tools under the menu bar here, then go to Effects and Filters, then go to the Video Effects tab, and then next go to the Geometry tab. You'll notice a little box here that says Rotate. Go ahead and tick that box. Now, I already had mine checked, but you're going to see this empty, and you're going to want to check that, and then that activates this little wheel here that you can turn, and you can adjust the video to your liking. So the next thing you'll do is just click Save, and then Close, and now just play your video at whatever angle you saved it at. That's all for today, guys. Let me know in the comments below if this worked for you or if you had any additional questions. And if you want to show a little love for my channel, please consider subscribing. I am a small channel and every little bit of support helps. Have a great day.